Hello people, how's all doing? Today I'm just going to talk about something and I'm going to try to put a few people straight. So RTE and other countries don't have a clue how to predict the weather, and they're saying that they need more funding for better weather forecasting. And I would like to say to them what Danny Healy-Rae said a year or two ago about we can't change the weather. No matter if we put 5 billion towards improved weather forecasting to know the weather for half a year, we would not change the weather. We would not change the weather. We might be prepared for what's going to hit us if it's a storm or a hurricane. But if it's a hurricane, we can't change it. We can't do anything about it. We can prepare. We can get people in the shelter. We can do this. We can do that. But we can't get it away. We can't do anything. God above is in charge of everything on this earth. If it's going away and God has decided that, RT can't change it. The American weather forecast stations will not change it. Donald Trump will not change it. The President of Ireland will not change it because he's too lazy to do anything. So I'm just going to say to people, don't worry about this hot weather. There's the people who keep saying it's going to be ridiculous. The whole world's going to flood and all that because of the hot weather. That's not really right. We don't know what's going to happen. I mean, OT is only guessing what the UK weather forecast is saying because they couldn't be bothered to ask to even find out what's going to happen. So I'm just saying God above is the only person in charge of the weather. We can predict, we could spend $500 million on improving weather forecasting. But what will we get out of it? We know there's rain coming, but what are we going to do about it? Blow the rain away with our mouths, are we? Are we going to start licking the rain off the roads now? Because we can't do anything about the rain or the sun coming. We can't do anything. We could only prepare. That's all we can do, prepare for the weather that's going to hit us. We can't do anything. Only God above is in charge of the weather. We can't do anything. We can't seriously do anything. If there's going to be a storm, there's going to be a storm. If we can't do anything, we can know a week beforehand, but if there's going to be a storm, there's going to be a storm. We can't do anything about it. That's all I'm going to say. And I argue with any weather forecaster. I argue with OT about it if I have to. But OT will not argue, which is just bring you the court and just try and shut you up altogether. That's the way they kind of work. At least in America, they at least try and prove their point. But here in Ireland, the way they don't care less. They're just going to bring you the court and take every cent off you. Anyway, that's enough about that before I'm in court with them. Anyway. It's just to say it's the freedom of speech, so I really don't care what OT takes. Because you said talking shite doing the weather forecast. You say it's going to be sunny. Like yesterday was a perfect example. I was in Ballyconnor and Cavan, and you said it was going to rain all day long. And it rained in the evening time. It was nearly not going to go. And it didn't even rain the set when I was in Ballyconnor. And you was just saying it was going to rain all day and all day and all day and all night. But it only rained for half of the night, and you said it was going to rain all day, so you were bullshitting there. I don't know where you were getting the weather forecast, but you must have been going for Egypt or something, because you seem like you're more interested over there. But anyway, thank you for watching. I'm just going to say this again. We can't change the weather. God is the only person that can change the weather. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and bye.